is ready for delivery. As you can see Gaurav's name.
New view terms. And once you click accept, you'll get a little confetti.
You sign and return all documents. Okay, let's check what all documents they are asking.
Release me, I'm moving on. Feel the speed of my ride. No worries, no more, no, no. Here's your bitter goodbye. Like, ooh. Feel the speed of my ride. Like, ooh.
Guys, we came to the Tesla Center
Yep.
so that we can have some good pictures.
Yep.
Because when we got delivered that time we were really hurried to go on the roads and drive. So finally we came again and we took these pictures. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Blossom Valley. I hope you guys are doing amazing, and as you have seen that we have bought new car. Here is our birthday boy. So baby, how do you feel about getting a new car?
It's amazing to get a new car, that to an electric vehicle, and that to a Tesla. I mean, I literally is mesmerized by the driving experience. It's amazing.
Currently we are going to this party city, and this is to find all the things that you require for your party. So let's go. So whatever we got, let's check out and let's go somewhere for the celebration.
Alright guys, so she is trying to arrange all the cake cutting things. So in a meanwhile, you can take a look on Tesla. क्योंकि audio तो हमारा वहाँ तक नहीं पहुँच
पहुंच जाएगा थोड़े जोर से बोलो तो.
Okay.
So I got this beautiful cake. Oh, it's not focusing. Come on, focus it. Oh, it's focusing it on birthday boy. Oh, now you can see, right? I hope. Yeah, this is gulab jamun flavored. So we got this from Hyderabad. We'll share the link in the description. And I got butter knife. Happy birthday to you.
So this is all about my birthday and Tesla.
Yeah. So a bite for the Tesla as well. Highly recommended, guys. These are from Hyderabadi. This is near Patel Brothers. Did you enjoy it, baby?
Yeah. And we are going to have a lot more fun today.
Yeah. So yeah guys, we will enjoy a little bit more here. There is a beautiful nature park around where we are right now. So we'll take a round nearby and then we'll do some shopping for Gaurav. So guys, the plan got changed. So we are going. So we actually came here in Macy's, but Gaurav, the birthday boy, wants to have something. And all of a sudden we realized that Navratri and Chaiti Chhat, so there are a lot of things is going on, so we are not allowed to have a non-veg. So we are going to a restaurant which is pure vegetarian and it is in Sharonville. So we are going to Honest Indian restaurant.
Provided we get some dining there, because it's always crazy over there.
Yeah, but I think it's 5 o'clock, so I don't think it won't be that
That
crazy.
day, at what time we went? I think
Same, I think. So we are hoping that it won't be that crazily occupied.
you have to be so honest and order it with honesty.
So you're welcome. So finally, Buddy Boy did his shopping from Macy's Men. We are back home and it was a wonderful day. Finally, Gaurav fulfilled his dream of getting a Tesla. So a very big congratulations to Gaurav. Through this video, I just want to tell you, Gaurav, that I love you so much and we are going to celebrate it tonight as well. I have another cake. And yeah, guys, if you enjoyed watching this vlog, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Yeah, that was it in this vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching it. See you in the next one. Take care and bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.